All right, so I just got this from Mopar. Let's take a gander. Ah, it's my lower grill. Just what I've been waiting for. So as you can see, it is see-through. So hopefully I'm gonna go have that installed today for free. The guy that put in my light bar said he'd do it for free since it looked, you know, all jacked up the way it was left. So let's go up to 4-Wheel Parts, have him put this baby on. So once again, for probably the umpteenth time, I'm here at 4-Wheel Parts in Tacoma, Washington. I've got a guest pilot today. Hi. Hello. What's your name? Oh, don't say your name, tomboy. No. All right. Victory or Valhalla hat. Grab your chips, grab your water. Let's go in and have them put this grill on. I'll show you again why I'm doing this, because if you haven't seen the video, so we had a light bar installed. The lower grill that comes with my truck is solid, so you can't see through it. And as you see, you put it in there and recessed it. It looks nice enough, but this part right here, where it's all like these brackets showing, and it just looks trashy. I wanted to clean it up a little bit. Plus, I'm hoping that grill, the light will shine through it. Plus, it'll protect it some from rocks and stones on the trail. We're just gonna walk around out here in the sun. Not that there's really any place to go in here in Tacoma except 50,000 car dealerships. But okay, we'll be back once the grill is installed. All right, we are done. It took about 40 minutes for all those clips. The youngin's trying to look down there. Can you see the light bar? Let's look. Oh, yep, you can see through there. Should I try to turn it on and see what it looks like? Yeah. Okay, we'll do that. So, wait till I say go. Okay, ready? Hit it. Yep, it comes through all right. We'll see how much the light diffuses though. You can turn it off when I test it at nighttime, and I'll do that tonight or before I publish this video. Okay, it's nighttime now, and the car just has the running lights on. So let me turn on the lowest beam first and see how that works. And now let's turn on the high beam. Okay, I'm about 30 feet away. So it may mask it a little bit with the grill on there, but I think that is good enough for what I'll be doing. Now I'm gonna try it by the shopping center so I can see what it looks like while I'm driving. The shopping center does have lights on, of course, because they don't turn their lights off at night, but I'll be able to get an idea as I look in the reflection of the building. So there's my normal lights, and there's the addition of the light bar. Okay, that's about the most random thing I'm doing is driving around. It's like 2:22 in the morning. So I'm surprised the cops don't pull me over, wonder what the hell I'm doing. I'm like, I'm trying to get a shot of my light bar at nighttime, officer. All right, if you watch this and you want to see more of this pulse pounding, exciting content, then please like and subscribe. If not, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. And if I don't see you, I'll see you in Valhalla. What do we say?
Peace.
Go like this. Peace.
Peace.
Don't say peace.
Peace.
I'll put your style like peace.
Peace.
One more time.
Peace.